Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo and a reveal from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. I recently did a haul and I let you guys vote in the comments which bath bomb you wanted to see a demo of first. Some of the products do contain items inside, but most of them don't. And basically everyone said they wanted to see the Geode Bath Bombs, so I picked the Amethyst Geode Bath Bomb to do first. And unfortunately, they took their website down temporarily. They must have done it right after I ordered. So I cannot access the website to see what the fragrance notes are or any details of the bath bombs, the prices, anything like that. But they will be back shortly. It looks like they're just taking a break due to the current pandemic and everything with COVID-19. Which is really thoughtful of them. They've stopped production to protect their family and friends and everyone that works for them, so gotta love that. And if you missed my unboxing, check it out. They sent me some freebies, and overall, very impressed so far with this company and all the products that I have tried. So because their website's down, I do not know what the fragrance notes are for this, nor do I know how much it cost. But I will say it smelled lovely. I think it kind of smelled like lilacs. That's what it reminded me of. I don't know if that's actually what it's supposed to smell like, but hopefully we will know soon once their website goes back up. But this was a solid bath bomb. It did sit at the bottom of the bathtub, lasted forever, and it was about 5.5 ounces, which is what the wrapper that it came in said. And as you can see, it's wrapped in foil. It's starting to poke out. I let it sit for a little bit longer because I knew I could not crush the bath bomb just because it's so solid. So I waited until I thought maybe I can pull it out, and I was able to. So inside you get a pendant, and I did see on their Facebook page there's lots of different color options of what you can get. And wouldn't you know it, I bet you can guess what color I got. I got the one that looks like emerald, which is my birthstone, and if you subscribe to my channel, I am plagued by emeralds. I don't like my birthstone, and of course that's what I got, because that's what happens to me. But I do think this is really cool. I'm excited to see what's in the other one. I also got a second one. That one I believe is white, and I will be doing a demo for that one next probably. I haven't used it yet, but I do record and post these ahead of time. I have a little schedule on my channel, so I will get that posted as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.